Jelqing, should we do it or not? Does it really increase penile size? Let's discuss about Jelqing and its implications in this video. Hello friends, I am Dr. Raman. I am a urologist and andrologist, and in this video we are going to talk about a common technique that people try to use for increasing the penile size, which is called Jelqing. So first, let's understand what Jelqing is. Jelqing is basically a regular exercise that some people do in which they massage the penis from the base to the glans. And they believe that while doing this on a regular basis, they will be able to increase the size of the penis. But based on the scientific facts which are available to us, there is nothing to prove that this actually increases the size of the penis. In fact, we get a lot of patients in our outpatient clinic who have damaged their penis by causing a neuropraxia or damage to the nerves and have landed up into erectile dysfunction. So I would really recommend you not to try Jelqing. MeSolve is an endeavor in which we provide reliable medical knowledge to our patients and viewers. So we hope you will join us in this endeavor.